I will show you today how to add a reward to your mission. Let's start by preparing the rewards itself. So in Photoshop or any software you like, you have to prepare two images. The first one is reward big. It has to be 300 per 370 pixels. The second one is a smaller one, has to be 100 by 80. Once you prepare the images as you want them to be, you can save them as here. I always use the maximum quality. Here you have the two images which I just saved, and here you have this very important file here. I'll open it. I always open this file with Notepad. I've tried with other editor, but I always got error at the end. So here it is how you have to fill it. You have to file here a new reward ID. In order to do this, you cannot just choose any ID you want. Microsoft has provided us a special software in order to create these IDs here. You can find them in Microsoft Games folder. You go to this folder here, SDK folder, and here somewhere, unfortunately I can't tell you exactly where because I removed them. I have put these folders which you can find here somewhere, maybe in here, maybe in the core utilities kit, but I'm not sure. You can find these two folders here, Giden or Guiden, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, and BJL compiler CDK. So the folder you're looking for now is this one here. Inside you can find this software, just have to open it, and here is your new ID you will need. So you can simply here you can click as many times you want, you will always get new ID here. So you just copy it. Now you have a new ID, you can paste it here exactly like that. So whoops, now you have your new ID here exactly. So now here is the name of your reward. You have to type the name. You have to type in the name of your reward here, the description of your reward, what kind of reward you have. There can be either postcard, I'll show you here. This is all the type of rewards you can find. Trophy rewards, badge rewards, medal, certificate, postcards, or any special item you might want to have. This is a postcard reward. Now you have to indicate where or what's the name of your rewards themselves. I always use the same name, so reward small JPEG and reward big JPEG here. You have to save this. You now have this here. Normally, this, as I told you, these two folders here are in the other folder. So this is normally not here. So now you have your reward, this image, the big one, the small one, and you have filled up how you want your XML file to be, and all the important informations are here. I realize with time, trying failed and success method, that the way you have to write the name here is very important. So here you write the name of your reward, underscore ME here in big letters, rewards with an S. So the name of your reward, underscored, ME written in big, no space, rewards. That's how you have to write the name here. So now you copy this. Whoops. Now you copy the three of them here. You go back to your folder, SDK folder, where I told you Like I told you, again, I have copied these folders here, so it's easier for me to work. You go to the BGL compiler SDK folder. Here, you can paste here. So you select them and you drag them over your BGL compiler here. You drag them here over. This will create you this file here. So in this file here contains all the information, your two images here and all the information in here. The next step you have to do is to copy these two here and to put them back in the folder you need. So for example, your mission was Voici here, so you put them back here. And the other one, hold on a second, the file you just created, Voici reward, this file here, .rwd, you have to cut it and to paste it in, hold on a second, here, Microsoft Flight Simulator X, rewards folder. You have to paste it here. It's already here, so I won't paste it again. Now you're all set up for your rewards. The only thing left to do is to program it in your Microsoft Flight Simulator. So I guess you already know how to get there. Here you have to add an action. Here, where is it? Grant reward action. Add. So I won't add it because I already have it here. Grant reward action. Here you have your instance ID and you have the reward reference ID, which is, I guess you already guessed it, which is the ID which you entered here. This ID here in your XML file is the ID you will have to enter here. It has to be exactly the same. Now you have a reward granted, you have a reward action here, which the ID who points directly to your XML file. And now the only thing you have to do, of course, is to pull a trigger. For example, in this mission, as soon as the people land here, my action is, the mission is succeeded, and I just have to point to the grant reward action. Like that here. Grant reward action. So as soon as they successfully touch the ground and that they land their plane, they will have their reward. So that's it. That's exactly how to add a reward to your mission. Good luck. By the way, you can find all this text here on my website. I have pasted there for you, and you will just have to copy it and paste it in your XML file and change the details here, and you'll be set. So I hope this little tutorial will have helped you, and good luck in your missions.